him.
Oh, yeah. All right, Colton's made how many passes is that?
Today?
Yeah. 3 passes, and he's having to work on the truck. He's having to pull the door panel off to fix the window. Outrageous. Colton, I'm sick of building these hot rods and having to work on them all the time.
I know.
This is just ridiculous. You have to spend some money on some quality merchandise. He literally has been to the track 3 times now and has never tilted the front end up. And Adam has been doing some heavy thrashing over here. He's putting gas in it. The work never ends, does it, Adam? It just never ends. It's just ridiculous. Shit. Did you overflow it?
Yeah, you can't see it.
That got nothing to do with me distracting you.
At least we know it's full.
Hey, that's 75 cents running out on the floor.
Look, half the streets are here than everywhere else, too.
Yeah, it is. For 114, it is. I think that's all they pass was a 661 with a 140/60 foot at what?
101.44.
101.44. It's two-step. It's got, we had one two-step in it, put another two-step in it, but it's got one of them old adjusted chips that's like 15 years old, so it doesn't really work right, and so it'll two-step and then it'll drop RPM and like try to die, then it'll two-step again. So that's why you didn't get to see him go even faster, because the two-step started acting up and he couldn't leave anymore. But
she's hugging and digging in and doing the radials and doing her thing.
yeah.
Yep, moving the cow track bars down to the bottom hole. Worked amazing.
Goes out about 4, 5, 6 foot and lifts the tire up and carries it. Doing good.
Every time, same thing every single time. Does about the same mile an hour and about the same ET. So it's consistently pretty awesome.
They ain't opened the hood yet.
No,
That's good.
only to check things. We tilted up to check fluids and make sure the lines and stuff were good. Yeah, so 660s, that's cool.
661.
He went a 666 and a 661. 666.
Yeah. He's gonna go fast or slow.
I did.
Jesse coming down there, he working on him.
Oh, he's got a whole new setup in that truck and he's trying to figure it out.
Yeah.
DIE racing.
Yeah, he's breaking stuff.
Yeah. It's got to where they ain't nothing cheap to break, so I don't know how they do it. But
And that is the situation that we're in with the S10. It could make more. It could go way faster, but it's safe where it's at. So instead of turning it up and risking blowing something apart or breaking something, because he's right now pushing the limits of tranny, crank, rods, block. He's pushing the limit of everything, and it's happy. So
he's got him another plan to build.
yeah, but for right now,
Mean evil something.
oh yeah.
It'll pretty much handle whatever we want to throw at it.
The wheels are in motion.
He said he was going on oodles and noodles.
Eating SCADIOs.
He was splurging for a cheeseburger. He's gonna top that. I ain't eating no cheeseburger. No day. What else you gonna do?
I don't even do that already.
No bush work. What you gonna do
No,
about
he dates the twins.
Yeah, the twins.
Yeah.
Them things, you pull up on the truck and woo, and they were like, shh. I was like, night girls.
Good night, ladies.
They were like, shh. No Far East massage for the playing. Yeah, dick, dick, dick.
We love you long time.
Yeah.
What can you get for $10?
$10 each.
Anything you want. Oh, Timbuku?
Take it in. $60.
That is not a good deal.
Oh, my damn ball game for $60.
$60.
I can get my $60 buy a foot book for $5 and a bottle of lotion for $2.99. This all. Fuck them. Trailer them all. Shut them down. Load them up. Turn them upside down. They're all fucking systems.
But yeah, it'll be strictly just saving. Strictly just saving. Only spend what I have to.
Because he wants to run fives
Yeah. Put it in 5s.
or fours.
Well, I want to turn the boost up.
I know, but we can't right now.
I know. That's why I'm doing all this, so I can turn the boost up.
Yep. He can go to the grocery store, get some groceries, pull into the track, make a 660 pass, and drive on back to the house. Which it could. If the only reason we trailer is because there's a
In
chance of
case
breaking something.
breaks.
Yeah.
And I broke at the track and I had to get towed back on the record, and that sucked.
Dad, Daddy.
Yeah.
Bunch of fucking somebody's on the trailer sucks.
Yeah, Dad knows
Yeah.
what nittos and stock axles will do.
Yeah, driving. It's kind of like a damn.
Trying to leave like it's a 57 Chevy.
So when you have a truck and trailer to haul it down, you just go ahead and haul it. Unless you, for like a certain class or something, then you drive it.
Which you'll
But-
see all that at True Street.
Exactly.
At Bristol,
Yeah.
when he runs a quarter,
Quarter
Yeah.
mile.
does 140. Blue lights.
Pea shoot.
All right then, that's a wrap. We're gonna call it right there. That's a good night.
Still
Fun.
inside the ship. They still ain't outside the ship.